Do you want to know what's maintaining your emetophobia? The answer may be excessive reassurance seeking. What is reassurance seeking? Reassurance seeking is when someone tries to prevent their catastrophe or reduce their anxiety by getting excessive information from others. They include reassurance from loved ones, work colleagues, the internet, or by giving yourself self-reassuring statements that everything's going to be okay. You may ask them to reassure you that you are not going to throw up, or that someone does not have a sickness bug, or that the food you are eating has been prepared properly. So why is reassurance seeking a bad thing? Well, reassurance seeking can be highly addictive. It quickly reduces your anxiety and leads to immediate relief. However, this does not last long and the anxiety soon returns, and with it, more opportunities to reassurance seek. Over time, just like a drug, you need more and more reassurance to have the same reassuring effect. Reassurance seeking also strengthens the belief that if you didn't ask for reassurance, your anxiety would have been unmanageable or your worst fear would have come true. So what can you do about this? The best thing to do is try to face your fear without getting any reassurance seeking. When we face our fears, our anxiety eventually comes down. This can show you that you didn't need to reassurance seek in the first place. But don't just take my word for it that reassurance seeking is bad. You can test this out for yourself. Plan a day where you're allowed to get as much reassurance as you want about anything and everything. I want you to go overboard. Even get reassurance about things you normally wouldn't ask, just to illustrate the point. Get as much reassurance as possible. If you did this, you may have realised that you started to feel more anxious and have more doubts about things that you previously did not worry about. I recommend a day where you completely ban reassurance seeking. You may start to notice that your anxiety reduces and that you feel less preoccupied with the worst case happening. But you won't know till you test it out. So alternate the 2 days where you're allowed to reassurance seek and then you're not, and see what happens. And keep repeating this for about a week. This helps you learn that you didn't need the reassurance to reduce your anxiety and that your worst fear rarely, if at all, comes true. For more information on therapy for emetophobia or any other anxiety disorders, please visit my website.